on the app. So it seemed like our page, our porn video as stated, get leaked out by the TikToker what them say named Jayden allegedly. You see me? And now she a cry for help. A lot of person are saying that she leak it, but I think she leak it, to be honest. Based off other videos that I found across with the TikToker when him Jayden. We don't know how him operate. He manipulate the media a lot. You see me? So at the end of the day, anything for views, anything for me, and number one, I guess he's gonna do it. But this time, him seem like he messed with the wrong person. So I don't know what gonna be the outcome of this if the female did reach out to ISAT. You see me? But Vybz Kartel I this way I talk about. So anything is definitely possible right about now.